going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Nike Calm Slide. Let's get into it. Start out with the box where you have just a nice little brown box with like a cutout Nike check on the top of the box right here. You're gonna go ahead to the side, pretty much nothing on the box. So let's go ahead and get into the front of the box, and it reads Women's Nike Calm Slide, and the colorway is Sesame Sesame. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, we got just some cream tissue paper right here. That's pretty much it. Got your stamp of approval right there on top of the box. That's pretty much it for the inside. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and it is the Women's Nike Calm Slide. Alright, started off by saying, Nike, is this the next Yeezy slide? Is this what y'all trying to do now? To me, it really does remind me of the Yeezy slide. It really does, especially with this EVA foam they got going throughout this slide, the colorway. Everything about this slide reminds me of the Yeezy slide, maybe except for just a little tad bit of a more open on the toe part, but other than that, it looks just about the same in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get into the details of this slide. As we can see, you got this nice sesame color. We have seen this color many a times with the Yeezys slides. You got this nice EVA foam going throughout the whole upper right here. You got this embedded Nike swoosh right here on the side of the slide right here. And the insides, you got this nice rippled effect going through the bottom on the footbed of the slide. And as you can see, it's a Nike check embedded on the inside of that the footbed right there on the inside, which is pretty cool. You got this nice rippled effect on the midsole. Kind of reminds me of Air Force One, if you will. It looks like an Air Force One bottom, but it's just not as hard as the Air Force One bottom is, but it just reminds me of it. Bottom of the shoe still just got those ripples, and then you got that nice little Nike swoosh on the bottom of the foot of the shoe. Overall, it's clean. I did try them on. I would say that they are not as comfy as a Yeezy slide, like not at all. You don't get that extra squishy cushion in the inside of this slide like we do have in Yeezy slides, but overall it is comfortable. I can say that when I did compare it to the Adelaide slide, which I have right here, these are pretty much my day one. I mean, the ones that I wear pretty much every day. As you can see, they're pretty beat. These right here are much more comfortable than these right here. These just got a plain slide, no cushion and nothing is just there. These give you a tad bit more of cushion going throughout the shoe, which is clean. And then like you got this more of a rock bottom, harder bottom, because like I said, it reminds me of Air Force One. So that's kind of the feel you get when you wear them. But overall, it's still a nice slide and it's clean. And Nike said, hey, they had to get on the bandwagon with these slides. Said Adidas was killing them with those Yeezy slides and those Adelaide slides. So here we go with this Nike Calm Slide. And I can say that they are comfortable. And I mean, they would be, you know, rating wise, I would still, I would put it above the Adelaide slide, but I wouldn't put it above the Yeezy slide as for comfort wise. But overall, by the look and feel of the shoe, the look of the shoe is very nice. So I get at like a 7 out of 10, just because to me it just looks too much like the Yeezy slide. But overall, comfort wise, the Yeezy slide still wins. But then when you go under the footbed right here, it just says the design in Oregon, and then it just said made in, it looked like Indonesia. And then it has the size, in which I got a men's size 10, which is a women's size 7. And that what I would say sizing wise, I went with a men's size 6 because that's the size I usually wear in slides. But I would say that I would have went ahead and went with the one that said men's size 7, women's size 8. That's probably what I should have went with, just to get a tad bit more room. These fit me like just right, in which I like to have just a nip of extra room in my slides. But these ain't, my toe is like right there at the top, even with socks or without. So that's the only thing I would say about these. So if you do go to these, I mean, I guess get your true to size, because that would have been my true to size, a women's size 8. But since I saw the men's 6 and women's size 7, I was thinking maybe that's the size I should have went with, but I didn't. So got these, and overall, like I said, they still fit just a tad bit. My toe is just all the way at the top. So if you did go to your true to size, you should be good to go. And if you do want to get these in the future, make sure you go to your true to size, and you should be good to go. But overall, it's a nice slide. It's clean. It came out on Nike about a week ago. They retail for $50, which that's a plus. They are cheaper than Yeezy slides. So if you do want to get these for alternate for Yeezy slides, then I definitely would recommend them because it is a very nice slide, very clean. But I'm going to go ahead and compare them to these bone slides, as we all know, because to me the colorways is pretty similar. These are just a tad bit lighter, the Yeezy slide. But the only major difference in the Yeezy slide and these is the ripple effect on the bottom of the Yeezy slide. Like they look like this, and then the bottom of this Nike slide looks like, you know, has a different ripple effect. But overall, the same side. It just looks too close to me. I mean, they are different in their own way, but it just looks too close to me overall. Like I said, I would still always go for the Yeezy slide over these any day of the week because these Yeezy slides just can't beat the comfort. But then when we look at the little footbed, as you can see, I mean the top of the toe, as you can see the opening on the Yeezy slide, and you can see the opening on this. As you can see, they are pretty similar. Yeezy slide just is a little bit more thicker because it has more cushion in it, and these are just a tad bit more smaller. But overall, that looks the same. Top of the shoe right there looks pretty even. And Nike just added a little Nike embedded swoosh right here on the side, in which the Yeezy slides just still have a smooth top on the top of the top footbed of the slide. But back of the slides, you got your Adidas symbol right there, and then on the Nike, you have the Nike symbol right there on the bottom of the footbed of the shoe. So overall, they are different, a tad bit different, but to me, we know what Nike was doing when they made these, because we could just tell how this slide came out. They was actually trying to copy the Yeezy slide, which is nothing wrong with that. There's so many other companies that always, you know, try to go for the same look similarity in shoes wise, and they see like the Yeezy slide has taken off and how good it's doing, so I don't blame them. But these are clean, they're nice, they're on the retail for $50. Very nice shoe slide if you're into slides like that. But me personally, like I said, I would definitely continue to go for that Yeezy slide because they are way more comfortable, and you get that nice squishiness, comfortability in the shoe, and you can just wear them all day. You don't even have to worry about your feet getting hurt, tired, or anything. It's just because it's a very nice clean shoe. But we know it's hard to get Yeezy slides, so if you want to go for these Nike Calm slides, I would definitely say go ahead and get them. I think they are sold out though. They did sell out when they came out because I'm guessing everybody was thinking like me. They wanted to compare them and see how they feel, see was they worth the money, and they actually are. I can't say they're very nice, clean slide. Can't go wrong with it. And it's this nice sesame colorway that I went with. They had a black colorway, then they had a white colorway, then they also had like a bluish teal colorway. Should have went for those. I just really didn't know if I was gonna actually want the slide or not, but decided to go ahead and go for them because I have so many slides already. But overall, these are nice. I think I definitely would keep them. Won't buy another pair because I really don't need another pair of slides. But if I didn't have any slide and I really wanted to go for a slide, definitely I would say go for those Yeezy slides first. If you can get those, get you some Yeezy slides. Second, I would say go for these, the Nike slides right here, which are very nice and very clean. Then thirdly, I would say if you want to go for this kind of a same look, go ahead and go for those Adidas slides because they are very comfortable also, and they are way cheaper. And they have so many different colorways in these right now that you could pretty much just pick a color for each day of the week and they have it. If you want to go for the Adidas slides, and they're widely available on Adidas site. So that's my take on the Nike Calm side. Like I said, I got the women's pair. They did come in men's also. Just went for the women's because it seemed like it was easier to grab at the time. But they both did sell out. So I'm quite sure they're going to restock because Nike always restock. So if you want to go for one, make sure you be out for that restock. Do not pay no resale for no slides, especially not these slides right here. If you're going to pay resale for a slide, go ahead and get you some Yeezy slides so you know you have the best slide to me out of them all. But that's just my personal opinion. Y'all let me know in the comments below what's your opinion on slides. Which one do you like the best? Do you like the Yeezy slides, the Nike Calm slides that are out now? Or do you like the Adidas Athlete slides? Or are you still on that Croc bandwagon and you like the Crocs also? Because we can't forget about the Slade Benberry Crocs that everyone likes. Should have grabbed mine there up there. But overall, they all very nice, very clean shoes. There's so many slides and Crocs to go for. So y'all let me know what you think is the best one out of them all. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.